Hey everyone, welcome to Viler's channel. Today I'll show you how to change your phone number in your Gmail account on your phone. First, open Gmail, select the account you need, and click Manage Google Account. Click on Personal Info. Scroll down here. Select Phone Number. Then click on it. Click the pencil icon. Enter your password here. Oops, if I could only remember it. Okay. Click the pencil and then Update Number. That's all there is to it. This has been Viler. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life, good luck, and goodbye, everyone.